Hi everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today I've got a good one for you. It's something that I recently discovered while playing with makeup. Now, if you saw my hack video, that was a couple videos back, then you know what I've been doing with this. I've been spritzing my brush and I've been setting the under eye area that way, just so that setting spray goes directly on top of everything that I placed underneath the eye, and that way it locks it in place and it makes it last all day long. Although that's a good hack, I found something better. Now in that video, some of you mentioned a hack that you'd seen a few months back. I want to say like 4 or 5 months back. I saw the hack too. It was on TikTok. The hack that I'm talking about is the one where the lady places concealer underneath her eye and then sets it with setting spray. Like she'll spray the back of her hand. She'll grab the setting spray from that with like a ring finger, and then she'll just dab the ring finger on top of the concealer to set the concealer in place. And then she goes in with the setting powder and sets it additionally with powder. I tried it and I did not like it because I do wear a color corrector underneath my concealer. All that really did for me was move my products around, and so nothing was staying in place, and if anything, it like lessened my coverage. So for me, that hack didn't necessarily work. But here's this. I'm gonna get to it. I'm sorry, I know I'm talking a lot, but I'm having to explain a lot, okay? I'm very excited about this. A couple weeks ago, I was thinking, what if I place the setting spray underneath everything? Will that make a difference? Because, you know, the setting spray is supposed to lock everything in place and keep everything from moving around. So what if I set the under eye area without anything on it, and then that way it prevents the things that I place on top from moving around, and it'll stay in place, and you know, whatever, let's try it out. Tested it out, holy cow. So I'm gonna show you how I do it. It's like, why am I even showing you? It's super simple, I just told you, right? But I'm gonna show you anyway, and then I'm also gonna check back in at the end of the night so that you see. I'm gonna use setting spray underneath the right side, and I'm not gonna use setting spray underneath the left side. So this is what I've been doing. I spray the back of my hand, and this is the Tarte Stay spray. You can use any setting spray, I'm sure. And then I just grab the setting spray and I place it underneath the eye. You wanna make sure that the setting spray is there. Now underneath this, all I have is just like my typical moisturizer. So my eye cream and all of that is already on my skin. Wait for it to dry, of course. All right, so now this under eye has setting spray and it's dried down. Grabbing a little bit of my Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector. This one's in the shade Medium to Deep. Applying this on top like I normally would. So like the rest of my routine is normal. Corrector, foundation around the face, and then concealer underneath the eyes. All right, so now that the concealer is nice and blended out, I'm just gonna set it with some of my Fenty Pro Filter powder. All right, so I'm gonna zoom you guys in so that you can get a better look and a more up close look at the under eye area. All right, so this is what it looks like up close. As you can see, everything's concealed. And as of right now, there is no difference between the left side and the right side. All right, so let's get on with the day. I'm gonna come back at the end of the night and show you guys exactly what this looks like up close. Let's see how it wears, okay? It is currently 11:12. So I'll be back at the end of the night. I'm guessing maybe around like 7 or so, just to give it 8 hours. And yeah, I'll show you guys what it looks like then. All right, I'm back for my final end of day check-in. It is 6:45. Let me zoom you in so that you can get a better look at this side with the setting spray underneath and this eye with the setting spray over top. All right, so here it is. This side is the one with the setting spray underneath. This one is with the setting spray over top. There's a difference. At least for me, it's like a pretty noticeable difference. So there you have it. That's what I've been doing. I feel like it definitely makes a difference, and you can see the difference after a few hours because it creates this nice barrier between your skin and the makeup. It creates this barrier that's not gonna allow anything to come through it. So your skin's not gonna affect the way that your makeup looks, and the makeup's not gonna affect your skin. Like, it just creates this nice barrier in between that keeps everything on top of it really nice and smooth, looking fresh all day long. At least it did, in my opinion. I don't know what you guys think, but I feel like it makes one heck of a difference. So give it a try. Let me know what you think. Let me know whether or not this works for you. I personally have not seen anyone mention anything like this. I know that with the last hack that I mentioned, or the last hack video that I posted, a lot of you guys were either already doing that, so I was really late to the party, or you saw Wayne Goss do something similar, but it was with a beauty blender. So this I have not seen anyone do. I could be wrong though. The internet is a big place and YouTube is a huge platform. So maybe there's a video out there that's already talking about this, but personally I have not seen that. So yeah, that's why I made this video, because I wanted to get the word out to you guys, since I know a lot of you follow me specifically for the under eye area, like concealer reviews or just like concealer routines, stuff like that. I wanted to get this up so that you can give it a try, just in case you haven't run into this trick, I guess you could call it. Trick, technique, step, whatever it is you want to call it. Just in case you haven't seen it, here's something you can do. Give it a try. Let me know if it works out for you. So that completes today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. I truly hope that you enjoyed today's video and that you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on future videos. And also don't forget to follow me over on Instagram, where I absolutely love to interact with you guys. As always, take care, and I will see you all in my next video. Mwah! Bye.